in this video, I want to share with you 3 things that angels want you to know about this upcoming month of October 2021. And what is happening is that our planet is going through transition. We are evolving, and now we're moving really, really fast. To keep up with these changes, you need to be aware, you need to understand what's going on within you and how your thoughts, your feelings, and your emotions are affecting the world around you. So first thing that angels want you to know about the month of October is this: focus on healing, self-healing. Self-healing came through, the word self-healing came from angels. Number 1, forget about everything else. Focus on self-healing. And self-healing is just a simple appreciation of self. Yourself as a creator, as the creative force of the universe. See, the universe is creating through you. You are a channel for creative flow. And when you are in harmony with the universe, as Earth is transitioning, as everything and everyone around you is going through their own transformation, then you're not resisting these changes anymore. That you are in harmony with these changes, and you may be noticing changes in behaviors, attitudes of people around you. And what angels really want you to know is to focus on self-healing, which means that you are not going to get too critical or too judgmental. You're not going to waste energy when it comes to defending yourself, or when it comes to really trying to prove yourself to other people. You know who you are. You are a divine being having a physical experience in the physical body. So self-healing, that's exactly what it means. And angels want us to stay on that healing frequency of gratitude, self-appreciation, self-awareness. And that's when you can get the most out of the energy. You're not resisting. You are in charge of your inner world, and your inner world is projecting healing energy. And that's how you are helping yourself, you're helping your loved ones, and you're helping the whole humanity to move on. So number 2, the second thing that angels want you to do is to take consistent action, to move in the direction of your dreams, of your desires, and your goals and intentions. Now, the month of October is as a stable month. Is the time when the energy kind of slows down and you will feel less motivated, so to say. You may need some external motivation, but things are kind of like smooth and going with the flow, that you may find yourself lacking the motivation. But angels want you to focus on gentle action. It's all about gentle action. Write, speak, connect with people, meaningful people, new relationships, new opportunities. Seek them out. Be proactive. Take initiative. Maybe have your goals in front of you. So every day when you wake up, you have your goals right here in front of you. So you can read them out loud, so you can remind yourself to focus on them. Create a vision board. Create some kind of a visual representation of the life that you truly, truly desire, and make a decision to stay consistent, to move in that direction all the time. So be your own cheerleader, be your own motivator. And then what happens is that you attract to yourself the right people, the right resources, the right circumstances. Everything that you need for your life's journey is out there. And all you have to do is to stay consistent with the flow, stay consistent with your action. And in moments when you feel like, well, I'm not quite motivated, remember about the slowing down of energy. And now it's your job. Now you are awakening these inner drives in you to succeed. You are awakening your own dreams within you. Have your vision board in front of you. So you get inspired every single day. And because you are consistent, you are going to move closer and closer to your dreams. So, and finally, number 3, what angels want to remind you is that you are a spiritual being. Remember that you are a spiritual being. And when you have this awareness of yourself as a spiritual being, as a soul in the physical body, as a soul having a moment in eternity, it's going to get easier and easier and easier for you on your path. Because now you will relate to the world. As a soul, you will connect with other people. As souls, you will look for that soul connection with humanity. And next year is going to be very, very important and transformational for all of us in a really good way. So we are encouraged by angels to develop collaborations, cooperations, that we are as a community, that we're not separating ourselves and we're not trying to isolate ourselves, but we are actually connecting with others, not on the physical level, not just on the physical level, even though with social distancing it may not always be possible. But remember that you are a soul, and for your eternal soul there are no boundaries, there are no limits. Nothing can stop you and your soul from reaching out to other people. You are a soul, you are a spiritual being. And what angels really want you to focus on in the month of October is the spiritual journey, is your soul's path. As a soul, everything is possible for you. As a soul, you have nothing to fear. As a soul, you already have access to everything that you could possibly desire. And now just the conscious awareness of that will help you to deepen these statements into your subconscious mind and live from the soul awareness every single day wherever you are. So get ready. This is going to be a really exciting month, and I know that you are ready. I know that you have in your heart the right intentions, that you are working with your angels, that you are working with your guides, and something absolutely magical will happen to you this month. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. I make videos here every day so you get notified and keep the magic flowing.